Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Sarita. Today we will see how to make this leather wrap bracelet. I have used hematite beads and metallic beads, and this is very simple to make and looks very elegant on your wrist. So let's see the tutorial. I am enclosing this list, so this will be helpful when you make the bracelet. We need 20-inch leather cord, 3 mm leather cord, and 1.5 mm wax cord of 20 inch. This is 8 mm hematite beads, metallic beads 2 mm, and this is a button. It's nylon cord, and we need 2 needles. You get big eye needle, so that will be very useful for beading work, or you can use the normal needle also, but that is a bit difficult for taking the smaller beads. So insert that into the button. Both the sides we need to have equal part, and I just wrapped 4-5 times and normal knot. Make it a secured knot. So take around 1.5 meter of single length thread. So divided equal parts on both the sides. So follow the procedure. First we are going to bead only the mid portion. So both the needles need to go through the bead. So to secure it tightly, few rounds, 2-3 rounds, I am bringing the needle to and forth. So for all the beads we need to make like this 2 times, and then on both the sides we will make a lock. Lock in the sense we are going to make a knot there to secure the bead tightly. So under and through the wire, bring and secure it. So pull it tightly and then go for the next bead. So the same procedure we are going to follow until the end, leaving around 4 inches for making the loop to attach the button or the clasp. So now on the right side we are going to add the metallic beads. So the same way you need to take 1.5 meter wire equally divided on both the sides, bring from below the wire and through the bead. So the same procedure as we did with the hematite beads. You can also go for a bigger size bead, because this smaller bead takes a bit longer time. You can go for 4 mm bead. So we are done with one side. The other side I am going to just keep simple. A single needle you need here, and just make a knot. So every half inch or so I'm making a knot. So I'm keeping this very simple on the other side. So finish till the end and make a loop. So check the button size. So make sure that loop is not too big, so that button should not come out when you wear. So make a simple knot. So that's it. Here we go. This is our final bracelet. This is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please do let me know in the comment section if you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.